Right, abusia, me no kasa sisi e ade a Queenema wakodru Germany. Na wakodru ene breaking news, shock information appear bonten and say chese Roma madai se Roma Fada se Roma madai and afei ayi en nkrofo yi. Abusia said ya beto dwane se chese nka omo de Queenema no trade. Chese ya chi Queenema enti monfa musomo munye we muye se maame akoso ase wa nye se ni nya Queenema abusia me pese wankasa wo de kuti o ma drop fella what highway ni so ene se na je se Queenema no a o mo share daddy police ko che no na nko mo de beye transaction against maame akoso ase wa na me nanu mi smell sa de no ene ne wo ma drop fella no mbese okotie se ba bi ade ne duru no wo mo se afedi wo mo pass wie ya no for ne say omo pass wie yate omo say afedie ye pass wie na che say omo ye no ne kani paka na no tu mu a na nko mabuli maame akoso asewa ne yatete no na wadi awde ho awu enye no ye fa no nsuo na Roma Fada yi wodi nkomo ene o che say won ye wo kire say ye kakra bi say de che say na say mafia game no ene ono aba abonte no obabie na no aka aye the reason show na wo kire na etie nsɛm a asi ene kwan a Queenema koduru Germany no afei no ndi nti omo che no kyese maame akoso asewa kamano tum wo japade no kasa ye no kore ye ware ano odin I had the reason show abusia na botere ne tie nsɛm a ekoso
ya na tire no ya bufu kware se omo se ma se wa nsɛm pie ma bontin mra TikTok do me kasa ya ba kodwo su ware press lansa ne agyae ma again na me ka kire o I lawyer say ma for mu jimi afire na afre so ejapade no onka say o ka won na ye nchemu 50-50 me tonya me amu ba gen na we che na wo di abade ya yenkan wo di am me na me na me ma we do ti anyam nam ka me anyam e ma na we ma me ya me na bet mili na be ka na me che
mili na bet to mili na
Ade no mo bageni a me first lady dia share yan wa je say awewe ya tininka ya twama ye man tu to asana isi ase eliki dia no enti asem ne bo pe ye no a be du fifi no na omo ye ne say okay lawyers ni nkohia e wo negotiation table enti mo be hwa edu ba bi ye say e kana amanfo kwaku munyai e ma mili ukura be ka bi say bibia ya ndakon e ho na no mo ko negotiate no enti negotiation ni ye say sa asem na mo pesi etwa so ne ejai ma de ade yeso ye demand ni na omo demand ne we ya one that lumba maame akosu ase wan pie mra bonten TikTok so emeka team legal wife so obi anya asem ne ka two on sam pie mra no meka say that lumba ware Priscilla no ye second wife three ejapade no maame akosu ase wan meka so wate ase one ne be chem 50-50 asema ye ken so mo so o man kan mo ko ba bi o mo ko bia
o mo modua
ama ye lawyer Gary catch up say this is bullshit, get out of my office. It is how no and o mo ba ye say the MMPA onye se na o mo de ne court case asema make an before un say adabi o mo ye so o mo court amaso man for say the ne ko amaso sada na round table discussion ade mo na de ba yo asema nyam na be kai o mini na na
ye nyina kwaku asemo ye nyina ye nim oh no
ba ku bio
ye nyina ye nim
kwaku kira mu na yesa da bia ye de yensem esie mankrofo wei
enipa ade ye say that friend say kwaku ye sra o enko ka asem we ma ye nya ye mansa
ami akoje say why am mayenka na enema de bi wo hono ma omuna ti konkosofo no de omuti no eno no omugidi o de omuti e won kwasiafo na no eno no omugidi nti eto da bi a wasi e mo omugu no bi
nti me say na me kana no say ye di ka chie ma no no mu ka so ne be court today bi no man fa na anko
good
eti Saturday no na ye nyina ba me kura me kasama afi obi aye kwa kumu seize fire ye so omo work ne ma e ma
me kura me be ka bi
so omo work ne
omo chie no kwa kumi ba omo chie no Wednesday enwumre ana omo ja ne Thursday ana omo ja ne Thursday ntine Monday no ene na ese
ene wose kwa mo ne court e wona omo kwa negotiation yes
we all knew about
eti negotiation na anya adwuma no mo ne court no
yeah
lawyer ne ka chonso omo for mo jimi influence
okay
yeah
opamo omo ba ye no omo asem ne say first ade omo pe ni say be ma me akosua se wa enka nche team legal wife for say
Yenya ikasa.
Obi anya asem ne ka lumba wu de yenya ika. Obi am back out. And on asmo obi. 2. Omre TikTok so any social media make say ampa. Ono edi adanse say Priscilla lumba ware.
Ya ware no.
Number 2. Omo condition of the band. Number 3. Hey, atiti bini abin boni woni trim tu. Number 3. Lumba japade no yenchem 50-50. Ma me akosua se wa na mra out make say ai wo de sisi ane de ye nam se lumba ware yintina japade no yenchem 50-50. Ansana omo jai kwinema.
Yeah, that was, bro. That was the night that guy was trying to have an argument with you on platform. I don't want to mention his name. The time he was trying to say, he said, "Oh, bro, nah, this thing we don't have to suck him." And then he was trying to argue with you that, "Oh, no."
Yeah.
That was that night. That was, yeah, I do. No, don't mention the name. Don't mention the name. That was that night. That was that night. Yeah, that was that night that he was trying to be like, "Oh no."
The bigger picture, me person in I say. What they thought they say Emma near they solve your problems. Emma
becomes the bargaining point for us.
Okay.
Emma becomes the bargaining point for us.
So Emma, basically Emma was the base.
Exactly.
Emma was the base.
Mama can say now on commitment. Me say, hey, now go for sana motie. Some lawyer now they show lawyer or ben negotiate yami akoyi nipa no. I said this is bullshit. Get out of my office.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
they use Emma as the base.
A million never kind of minute.
Kwa good idea.
One more open up to Makadada. Now will be a baby.
If you are
I'm bargaining and normal pen no. And yes, idea. Now you almost say, Omukojina court on a judge never get an commodity Emma Kushim. It's a remind the Diana Cafe. Yeah, Saba so okay, and Yanisa. Hey, that's lady. And I can say,
and then you say, my mom, yes, on the camera. I can't done.
I don't know, so.
Hello, Miss Ernestina Fosso.
Hello.
How are you holding up?
I don't think I am.
That's okay. I've gone through what you faced. I can't believe it. I'm truly sorry. My condolences for your brother.
Thank you.
Tell me about him.
He was everything, not just my brother. He was the one person I didn't have to explain myself to.
You understood each other?
Yes. When something was wrong, he called me. And when something was wrong with me, I called him.
And the day he died?
I wasn't there. I was in Germany.
And you got a call?
Yes. The woman that was with him called me. Not that my brother was dead. She told me he was mistreating her, that she couldn't take it anymore.
While he was already gone?
Yes. So I'm standing there, listening, trying to defend my brother, not knowing he's already dead.
That's devastating.
It broke something in me, because that was his last moment and I wasn't in it. By the time I found out, everything was already moving.
You came back?
Yes. And nothing made sense.
Different stories?
Too many. Every version sounded like it was hiding something.
So you asked for an autopsy?
Yes, because when truth disappears, you go to what cannot lie.
But you couldn't trust it.
How can I? The woman that was with him, the same person who lied to me, is connected to everything. How do you trust truth when the source is already broken?
That doubt is valid.
And then I was stopped.
By your own family?
Yes, my own family. The family head stood against me.
That's a different kind of pain.
It makes you feel alone in a room full of your own blood. I went to court. The injunction was granted.
And then it changed?
Yes, they called us back.
That's not justice.
No, that was the moment I knew they were never going to let me reach the truth. The funeral happened. I wasn't there.
I'm sorry.
I didn't say goodbye. And even now, I don't know where he is.
They haven't told you?
No. I wanted to celebrate him, to honor him. They went to court to stop that too.
And they restricted his name?
Yes, my own brother. And I have to ask permission to say his name.
Mrs. Fosso, what you're carrying is not just grief. It's grief that was interrupted grief that was denied, grief that was controlled.
That's exactly how it feels.
And that kind of pain doesn't fade on its own. But listen to me carefully. You are not out of options. You can request an independent review. You can challenge the secrecy. You can question what was done in court. And you need support because no one survives this alone.
Do you think I'll ever know the truth?
The truth doesn't disappear. It gets buried, but it doesn't stay there forever.
My mind always in the future. I don't follow blueprints. I design the structure. I see systems where you see walls, patterns where you see pain. I don't drown in emotion, I reprogram the rain. I love humanity heavy, but from a distance, 'cause I know how to care without losing my existence. Don't confuse my silence for cold or my space for a lack of heart. I just learned early how to love without falling apart. I'm the rebel with
key weight no of the luggage or more up here. Now I am very excited. We share na senia na osa kakra no to that lumba nyuma wa ya mama misewa no wasa kakra na damfu na yas was also by her side. No more cover chit chatting. They were waiting. They got to the airport very early. They were waiting. They were just chit chatting here and there. The name so mudiko konsapa. Intimate me dinechina. Me observations. I know more bisa me say me hoyana. Me see I'm okay. They were engaging some officials there. They were like prim and proper, looking good, and they were twinning with their hair. Now, me who say burgundy and just said they were twinning with their hair, and they were looking so good, having conversations, catching up. I think they've been friends for some time. And I asked Watana Germany kakra. Tina said no more some vibe be a more bon more eyana or more engaging officials ne kakra. Na I mean bon kakra. Like I wasn't really eavesdropping or listening to what they were saying to me more details, but you can tell. Na so omo diakonia ba me so no me jina one side na me so me twa just say I study na me twa do baby na or say me bemu na ho say me na me twa ntimi ana ho ho nche mu ho no yeah eno kra me twa no kra na ase queen no others we didn't get on phone so on Incrofor Kasa Frefre no and I also saw like they were doing a lot of stuff, a lot of activities. So I also decided to make sure that membremo the updates as much as I can. Mean to me for my number can we and one and for two and proof be new evidence be new to make sure say yeah and journey more. I mean the sisterly thing the na ekoso hopa na ekoso just say mo bon komo mo din komo like mo kasa nice like it was an amazing sight. And I mean I mean so they say with all that Queen Emma had to go through now you could see that there was some joy, some laughter. It felt like she was elated. You could see some excitement in her say I mean she's going back. She kept talking about her children, a lot of things she's left behind that she has to go and sort out. And I mean, there was a lot she was talking about that I can share here. Now one more casa, now one more formal plans, no time or call beba and all that because originally no there. I see one time na German in chair at least every 6 months biano or down ebe any 1-2-1-2. Yeah. She's very family oriented too, so wow, and I done for no more calls, not like they were ever ready. And then I'm addressing fine pa wow such as say omunim chrome my dressing and for sure me so matter one corner ya na zoom in kakra na ma zoom out kakra na ma bemu like sa na me nyomoko I say no be shana I started checking in. Yeah. I started checking in. I had no minyane solitude. Yeah. On no jawa ni timi gunichi bebre. Yeah. Yeah, you feel no no. Yeah, nearby. Baby, I finally know I go checking my passport now. I got in a lounge and I just say I come board. Janos me baby man. BBM say no so silly and no so be and no yeah to me BB and silly. She was very excited and my answer and in one answer a little excited because a woman what to and kakra we yes recent back. She has a very calm demeanor though, and she didn't look like what she's been through. I mean, it was a beautiful sight to see. Say Osre, Sinenia G, and I must say, Nadam for Nayaso. I mean, Ejina Ninchain. I mean, not the phone calls in your man or one. A be free man, a be free gun and a bush and other stuff. Yeah, to Bashana me tap me silly at the Anamana. They are coming hand luggage. Yeah, Tan Musina or Bonk, meaning a bonk, come 1 2 1 2 Kaka. If I was back home, my Indian or if I was back home, my picky call Kakra. Yeah, so Moka say, Bobsia, they are Beji passport, a mano, a maniquama, Nina, and Yanukre. Yeah, any assistant. She says, so because the India, they found to Yanni say. Intintan is no biani asema abakanti bo ye sister ye obegina we ya ohunu echi oton ofri oton no ba bibi ogina no I was na was me trust because we say na or staff ntiense wie no sister na yas nana dan for the best friend jano hoko akono kwa oh that's why I'm mobo ti okona miss medicament seems dan no was me channel for 19 term Miss Medicamani Dinity. No corner me dinity. No agent Jana Majina. On come bass or ferry on ferry cacras who they obey no. Miss Minjaitra, send them becoming a bomb one with dignity. Sir, it's sad, you know, Serika crash. Cause background to me, Mama na ferry. Yeah. I'm ready for picture away.
My mind always in the future. I don't follow blueprints. I design the structure. I see systems where you see walls, patterns where you see pain. I don't drown in emotion, I reprogram the rain. I love humanity heavy, but from a distance, 'cause I know how to care without losing my existence. Don't confuse my silence for cold or my space for a lack of heart. I just learned early how to love without falling apart.
Na nipa we ba platform so no be threaten e ba da ben na sa de we duru da ben ade na yesi anase mu enkofo bi amaye o mo ten god e o app on so say no ba platforms na bi kwa wa ya ma na respect wo be tu nipa o ba ya ma respect say kasa. Who are you? Kasa. Na ebuo na dia ma no, you don't reciprocate it. Then you challenge my identity. Oh, to picture me. Masa, share TikTok app no. Muntimi nye enkofobia mu control app no. Muntimi enye obi am control app. Alabama me majuma alone. O pass me man kan for be journey de kuta bututu ye de oyeye. Me mfa ho me kwa mintie because you're credible. Yes, you are not credible. No, everyone knows. And now by Tiwa you say, now by Tiwa or you say, no can't throw at on so these people are they credible? Now the work come expose no happen on try once. The work come expose no happen so on try me no be call boot for boot. Bring it on. Someone yamaya one as if you are any by media. No buy and I was over. Momra one. Say me come on to go. Mona mo be kame. Na mo be kame wi a na me start me ne wa. E dia ya na munum ye entro. Yen twa ntronto ne so, yen kansam bi to ne so, yen no krekra yen ka. That's it. Asa. We dey ma me twere exams wi. Dia mo be ye bia me pile go. Me wo 2 weeks to write exams. 1 week 3 days to bury my uncle. She made me stay Abaneshi Kaka.
Lima kwai ma ba ko tena be ma ne ho ba no. Fine. na ebi de omukwa ye ma ebi se bitafra chekoda abontene me kiremu a enamfo ho ananso se ebi a hotel anase Airbnb a me kamfo ma se so Milton Keynes nkwa de me Airbnb accommodations a me de rent ebi mu edidem eno na ma nibre ayde aba ema bi mu adwene ho din se ade we ya nsori anti a ekire bi ela ebetumi ayewo ebetumi ayeme enu nti na ye nyina ya tie sisa asem we medase wo bibi fofra utumi bisa
ma akosu afie ho na otie no ten no so ye se daddy lumba na toye what it
yo mame daddy lumba ejapade a wona ne yire akosu asewa eyeye ebom no enyina no up to now even sasempa omo toye up to now mame ne kosumpu ne yatwa kwadu ene ekososo omo nsa egu omachi eyi omo free ade ne so na me
say ye nyina ye nya botra na ye nchen
woka bibi say yenyi emotions ensinchen wotemase it is ye emotions asinchen na yo obey na me so me yo obey na sa so me no mienu ye fa ma me say wa na odobro ni ntinchen me no mienu ye wade be ma baako na se be ma na firimu a edi enti na wo kwan me kwa me ye panyini na wo su kono ma wo be ma wo ela wani atra wani achi me pa chaw me no mienu na basa woni medi ni yi ana ela
me pa chaw nani atra nani achi nkyerem ka kyerem kakra kyerem
wani atra wani achi ela ne se ye ko adebomu anase ye ba ware mu adebomu ene ne culture mu a panyini ye de ni de ma oyire panyini ba bia etimi ma ba ye oyire panyini a wo ye oyire ketewa no don't you think say will come to me na nka bia ye kabom na bia ye nhihye bi na bia me ho kwa amanfo ba shi me kira so ma ho kwa amanfo ba shi wachi don't you think say it's a form of disrespectful in a way say wo wote dan ame ye kunu ni ye wo de amfa say ma anya bimpo na say ye kunu ni ye ya na aden
nya botra mi sa fe no ko pedi bibie di nti wo de mesrew mami
na wa who said disrespectful na ye kana wo bisam na bi ni kanokre
ebine de yen
ala
mami
wuditum
ebine de ade
osi okodidi na da na wo de to ya betu suin ni na yo ana
na sa metem nka da monte menka
Eke wasa ono feel say wasa o kira ni so ma dey me baka kra o nti mo de mo kasa
ala mame etu di tum say ade na aircon aye toy brain and omo ne mpanimfo ni dili so won say de tie
there be meme dia meme ti ase ni say me patch auntie o papa no o ware ayire pani e de ne say according to ni omo ka no o ware ayire pani ona o de ne tina Germany e na o to fie ma no e na one ne wo ne ma wo ho e na okọ ware ketwa e na ode ne tena Ghana e na onu so ne na wo efi a bebia one ma akosua wo ye e ho na ma akosua da sote bebia oni odoblo ni so wo ye e ho no odoblo ni da sote
okay maybe Obayela maybe yes. this is what you know isn't it and this is what I want
se si ade ma akosua o meka ne nu mu asem nkire ye se waka kire wo di a miminim odoblo ni so meka ne nu mu asem nkire ye ntini aye hu ni ye ba jo se
eye de wati anase eye ade wunim se ye nokra sa nete
ni aminim se ye nokra ni aminim e na meka no
okay that's eye wo evidence me boa
yes
okay
se
wunim nokra ne pa
se baby ama akosua tie no eho
baby ama akosua sorry o free Ghana ya okono eho
baby ni fi a oti wo Germany na meka ho asem
enya ho ne ye ka ho asem
maje me pacho eno na like lumba japade be na japade enti pacho mo according to court mo yenu nyina so ye yere enti no monka ne nyina de nyina ya tie so na ye ka bi enti pacho monka na sa pepepe se na ba ya anya sa ade amo ye bi maje ne la mo ti magina so be 1 hour
na baby mi be si from ye ko 1 hour sen a ne ye se ye ni hweye me hu ti no bai
on person be ji ade on person be ji atu ma obi so be bi next class yan ba
oh okay because maje ne be ma ne ware mienu eno de ne yiri pani ne ne ma omo wo Germany eno ba Ghana eno wa be ware ketwa eno ne ketwa ne nso wo ye fi a one ne wo ye no eho no no nso tie sesi a papa no ko ne japade ye ncheye enti adenti na ye ntwen yes because odoblo ni fa ne ma sesi a no ba Germany a ono nso oni ba bite eho ye ma akosu efie ma akosua nso fa ne nuoma na oba Ghana as you said oni baby te because odoblo ni nso ti ne fie ho efie baako enti adenti na ye nya abotre na nka ye che japade no time ne so na ye che na ne wo se ma akosua ye de ma no ya amfa ama no a ye start sabu hai.
Yes.
Me patcho aka say we.
Exactly.
Me patcho ai.
Okay. Ye da wano ase. And some for na waka ne de enka eba reality and I said the reality ya. Enka saa na nanka e wo se eba. Saa na nanka e wo se eba in a different way. One. Fane se me ne be ma na wo ho. Me de me ya na me se yenyi o mfiri nche na oba la me no mienu. Wo ye oba me ye oba yi de. What ma say? Aha. Fane se me ne oba ma na wo ho. Me na me ye yire panyin na aye ketua because baby wo gina de aha etim lega na wo ye ketua yi. To wo ye yire ketua yi a wo gina ho a me no me ne be ma no na tata wo mamu. What ma say? Me hia be ma no wo ye yire ketua you are not there. Ena me ne me kunu no ya bo bra. Sabe wo kan se baby a no mo tifia no mo tim wo Abrokyire me mu no. Me de minim so ne dade lumba ne to yo. Se ma me na ne to ne fie ma dade lumba. Sabi baby a no wo asalam ho na obe join ni no and de minim ho asam. Ti mi ntumi nkoka ba bi enim se no mo wo fie na papa ne firi ho a ode ye den. Ode ba baby a no waba no. Wotima se. Okay, e ba Ghana pa dade lumba ne firi ho ba Ghana. But me ne be mate. Na wo de emfa ne se ya to mortgage ni nyina ya tim. Na bia Ghana so ye betwa ye ni ahwe odaache ye mere wabom ye kokora wabom ene ye menti no ye ka odonti no ya kan ye bibia bom because ba akukwa ya ebeye ye bat eya na enko anim saa dansen kan krofo mienu aiden a join abom na nka ye ya ade kan ne kwa so ano asawarefo ena omo saa companion no omo that joint no omo adwene timunti no omo kan omo hu bom just to do that. Omo yo mo japade no mo ko mo ni omo yo mo japade no mo te ha pap ma me na ebua na nyom tuo mu nyoma bebre na ekoso ide ya so atete a evidence any
Yesu Kristo wadi nkoni o what na ho asay nipa ayika nipa ho asem saa ye ga hweje na wo de obi kan ho asem kitua bia oh what I say ebodua usu ene yesu enye dey ye ya uhu ye da na odede bia ena say yen kasa yo o de ye wo pin kitua bia ubodua esu na wanim na odidi atebro ene na ya o enye atemidie no wanim no ene se ya wotie no enye di efi wanu no ba no o hwe face ni bi pa
fat enkrofo a ho omukota ma me akosha se wachi no maya di o omu deserve abaso body pa me na me ka me chalo enkrofo a omu di twum ekota ya ma me akosha se wachi no chale o ma ya di pa me ka se bi chalo che ma mu we ho ankalumba enya ni baby koye no sankai nipa ne bebre ani twum ankodi maame we yachi ena dodo na janu na kodi dodo ni achi a me say maame won ko nti ase anka we ho be kono anka maame we nanka on ti ase ta anka possibility say maame we anka we ho be kono anka ye be kore ni fie aye ba ko bone bell ye be ba na ebi boni no nke be ko na de be ya ma me na ya aye no me na me ka bichiro my dio my de papa if it's a the whole story na ma me no wanya ni just how I say o shelumba odi akoma wonde woni si wanya no kunu odi akoma pata na chi ohiamu sikamu bibiamu ase ma me no case no koye areho Nti that lumba cry tonyo mo a. Hwe, let me tell you one thing. Anybody don't say musician don't sing pan wo wiase a. O mutimedi oba o mo yere mo ta bonyom se that lumba. Wo hwe that lumba ni mu a. Obo akoso say wedding sa because na onim de no ba me ne fem. Mami ni fem. Mami na ye silence sa fe de. Papa you grab be wu ya. Asa your worst. Hey, na mi shira mo. Munim de mayama mami we. Most of you are mudinachi. And I'm a crime can be mudinachi. Me say you nim de mami we. Me bomba basu. My yati papa. Say me tinya sa ho mami we galumba wu ya no. Anka possibility say ka mami we kan nan ka wonda so tia sen ka ya. Ka bra wo be ko mami. Kama hamena kawe hube kunusi ata atia ya wiase atia bipa wiase we ho atia ba kwa mo so nipa di onipa etimi ko nipa ho pa ha eye ya onipa ne kwa se obobi di eye breguo se woni obi be bresa na la show ni ma yiye na onipa da yiwo mo na de wamble no obe enjoy hwe. That is the most painful thing in the course of the background of facing your life. Ah, my heart here, a bomber paso. Ne mampoa combat me cooperate. Nanka omode ne me beto 2 years. Ne ma that the lumba ja omo ho. No mo susua. Ma me anante sno mu. A chesi training bus. E de adwuma den sa dia hwe omo ma amoma nyini. Enka nkura we kura na se ketimi tigina se dabi. Ye papa ye nanya no. It seems as o makra do matwom ho. Sebi enkrofro. Aye ni mami bebia. Ana ya so asemu we mo. An ye di mami na chi. Me se mamu we. He mo nim dia maya no. To nyame se most of you mo nim dia maya mama no mo nim. Kare ho be kuma mo we fast. Eke be kono. Na mami na kwa jana mo na kwa jem no ko na ke de bcs because I war so onipa decide say minya obi ani ni nkomo minya de obeka ma se mama me if you say say ademo we ko no ni ho asema ye kahye manu ihu na me ko chichiri ma se ma so onipa do sa stage na the possibility say onipa ni beti ma je de cry for some ya ndio so onipa na do sa stage no say onko ni pemu o shedemo case bia ba de atwa nto ne so ye di na tem onipa nya de ne se cheche ne so onya nipa ba ko mienu miensa ni pom na ka ne se ono kwate no se ene mi mpem nko nipa shedemo a the possibility say owo betimi afasa nipa no ana se obetimi agene ne kra ne nkwa free ni nsamo no ai na mi shramo de maye no se no krese onyankopon bo ha o sense nsoro ho a o hwe nipa action de ko de eba do nipa ka mbra pa na sampa so o nhira be o timi nipa nyame nhira mo ade o ma jade bruta mama asena isumbiti ni mu my jeffrey ni mu na me timi ko nipa na me no o timi ko nipa me ye sure say ma me we kwada ni suna na nka ya wreho ke kuno no on say ye wo subu ho na ni jesu me sure say ma me no e se ni suna ni jesu enya wreho sumbi my idea my especially some of young men na yetime te ma me we ase no pa ko di ma me we achi no na me chira mo my idea jama sa ma me we me say a chance mo the diamond and I go to a channel. Me na me kamacho. My jati brutal. My jati papa since day one case buy. Since day one case buy. Ma tama mu wechi. Ai ti na real hom na isi na real hom be yesu. Ene me say ma mu we kura sebi e ma ne masa. Se okodapo na me ekuboni prum. Na ma mu we ye bombom ni ye omie ni ebo ni ekoto. Se ma me dai wan sole a ye be kono. Na osre no de fam wuye na me sramo ba ya de dodo Now me share some of the videos now I was seeing Kume. Now I was seeing Kume. Mama na bla bona koye pains. Ne kuya. Pains no class I worse. Or the koboso na why. Or the koboso na why. Sa sem na that lumba catch and say owu a e man abusuafo nkan maame no e Ghana fo mo na makai no mo na mama san kom hye na bem e mo na ma hye maame ni munya ma sala dulumba na numa san okan na bem na me islam ma ya te toto ma ya te beta mo aspa